This is a brand new 2014 Ford Fusion. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, performance tires, a four-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, dusk-sensing headlights, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Two Rivers Ford is located at 76 Belinda Parkway, I-40 exit 226 Mount Juliet Road at Providence. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.